Hello, you might be wondering, what's behind the scenes of these animations I make? Well, here you will see what there is. Let's start. We start here, where you can see the plans, extras and other things, for example, discarded characters, and many other things. Here we see behind the scenes, for example, I'm moving it so you can see the details of the 3D animation, and so you know, my name is 100,101. These were the eliminated characters. Here you see the bird from a drawing I made, as conceptual art, and there would be more characters. Let's look more.
Hey, what's up? There are more episodes and levels to come. But in the meantime, if you like this little clip, why don't you check out some of my other videos, give a comment, or if you like, subscribe.